Hello, friends. Today, this is going to be your mastery check-in. So you're going to listen to the word, repeat the word, and then you'll be in charge of blending the word yourself. Okay, number 1, refine. Repeat the word, and then do your blending, and go ahead and write it down. If I'm moving too quickly, make sure that you pause it before the next word. Number 2, declare. Repeat the word, declare, and blend it. Go ahead and write down how to spell declare. The next word you're going to write down is the word always. Say it, always. And I want you to make a slash mark where you should, between the two syllables. So always. Go ahead and make a line where the syllable breaks. Okay, number 4 is a sight word. It is the word about. Say it with me, about. Go ahead and write it down.
Jackson, talk to your 4 people in your group.
Number 5, the word is unsafe. Say it with me, unsafe. I want you to make a slash where the syllable is, and I want you to write down what type of syllables each side is. Okay, number 6 is a sight word. It's the word sure. Say it with me, sure. Number 7, devote. Say it with me, devote. Go ahead and blend it yourself and write it down. Number 8, remake. Say it with me, remake. Go ahead and blend it yourself and write it down. Number 9, inform. Say it with me, inform. Blend it yourself and write it down. Okay, number 10, alongside. Say it with me, alongside. Go ahead and blend it and write it down yourself. Number 11, the word is demand. Say it with me, demand. Go ahead and blend it and write it down. Number 12, unclear. Say it with me, unclear. Blend it and write it down. Number 13, replant. Say it with me, replant. I want you to go ahead and mark where the line between the two syllables. Number 14, unpacking. Say it with me, unpacking. That word has a prefix and a suffix. Blend it yourself and write it down. Number 15, income. Say it with me, income. Blend it and write it down. Number 16 is a sight word. The word is busy. Say it with me, busy. Write it down. Number 17, awake. Say it with me. Awake. Go ahead and blend it and write it down. Number 18, invest. Say it with me, invest. Go ahead and write it down. Number 19, misting. Say it with me, misting. Okay, go ahead and blend it and write it down. All right, the last one, number 20, is restack. Say it with me, restack. And write it down. And then you are going to do one sentence. So on your paper, I want you to write down your caps, your C for capitals, A for appearance, P for punctuation, and S for spelling. All right, the sentence you are going to write is point me to the exit. Repeat it with me. Point me to the exit. And make sure you double check all your caps and give yourself a check mark. And when you're finished, make sure your name and date is on your paper and you can turn it in. All right, have a great day. Bye.